Rainman portable water makers turn fresh drinking water from seawater in less than 2 minutes. Here's how. Place the Rainman pressure supply unit in a stable place on the deck of your vessel. Uncoil the intake hose, install the sea strainer, then place it in the water. Place the reverse osmosis unit near the pressure supply unit. Open the reverse osmosis unit and remove the hoses. Connect the black high pressure hose to the pressure supply unit. Place the green brine hose in the water. Insert the flow meter in the vertical position on the reverse osmosis unit. Connect power to the pressure supply unit. Power on the unit and slowly close the pressure control valve on the reverse osmosis unit until the gauge reads 55 bar or 800 psi. Fresh water will start to flow out the white product water hose. Sample the water and place the white product hose to the deck filler of your water tank to fill. It's as simple as that.